Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.